21. This one I got a call from, kind of a odd call. It was from a competitor of mine. He's down in Florida, and he said he's got a customer that's got a Weil Mclain Ultra boiler, piece of shit, high efficiency thing, and it needs an exhaust fan motor assembly from the code that it's reading. So he wants to know if I can go over there and help him out and do it for him. I said, yeah, alright, no problem. So I located the part, and I'm going to go by there, and that's the code that it's giving off a sensor inside the blower fan assembly. And I'll check, make sure that there's no birds building a nest in the exhaust pipe or anything like that, but the guy's pretty confident that's what the problem is. He said he's changed a bunch of them, so. And I told him I wouldn't steal his customers. That's not my style. I don't mind helping people out, especially if they're out of town. You know, one hand washes the other type of thing, you know? And I'm not in business to make enemies. If anything, I'm in business to make friends, you know? But anyway, we're gonna go help this cat out. He's in Florida, and his customer's got no heat. No heat, no hot water. So we're gonna go. We got already located the part we need, and we're gonna go over there and give it to you. How you doing, Mama? Yeah, I just pick up the pot. $800. I called 2 supply houses, and they're both the same money. Holy shit. That's why I tell people, stay away from this high efficiency junk. What it is, flipping junk. You're gonna save a lot. Yeah, I mean that's not including my labor. That's just the blower assembly. $800. Yeah, you wanna go high efficiency and save all kinds of money? Yeah, you're gonna save money, alright. Yeah, you're gonna save money, alright. Probably $1,200 bill for this clown. Not easy being cheesy, Mama. Embrace the technology. See how it's got the shakes? That ain't good. Well, let's go take a look outside, but yeah, see how it's got the shakes?
Yeah.
The dog's in the house locked up?
Yeah, dog's locked up upstairs.
Alright, let's go take, I just want to make sure that there's nothing, you know, living inside the pipes, you know what I mean? Yep. Can we get out there?
Yep.
Sometimes if this is broken away, birds can get in there, but that doesn't seem like the issue. Alright, let's change that motor out. Embrace the technology. Embrace the technology, Mama. Unbelievable. Got the power off. Plug in the back there too. bolt in there.
Let's connect this. Take that gas right off of there. I got the gas off to the unit. Embrace the technology. Crazy money. Sure, we'll take this thing right off. Get these two nuts off, and should pop right off of there. Yeah, bound up. I can't even turn it. Hard to turn. Alright, so put a mark here, a mark there. You know where it goes. Two screws here to take this off. I got a couple of screws loose now. Crazy money for this thing. Embrace the technology. See how hot it is at the spin? There's no oil on it or nothing. I mean, that one spins easy, see it? It almost looks like an ECM motor. So let's see if we can place the gasket. A new gasket. And then this wants to go. Just like that. Easy enough to change it. Ain't rocket science, mama. Ain't rocket science. This is a hex nut. Crazy. They said I'm doing this for somebody as a favor because he's out of town. This one I can't even barely spin it. Motor's all bound up. There's nothing stuck in there. I was kind of concerned about that, but I don't see it. Embrace the technology. Crazy. Easy enough to work on, that's all I can say. Goes there, clicks in. This one clicks in here, and there's one in the back. In the back there, like that. And connect the gas. Modulating fan. Embrace the technology. He's warming up now. Exhaust. Put the cover back on. Weil Mclain Ultra. Embrace the technology. $800 for that motor. Yeehaw.
They didn't have radiators.
Holy shit, that thing's gonna be 4 feet tall.
Yeah. Like, I don't complain about those things.
It's beautiful.
Once you get them warm, they carry the heat forever.
Yeah, beautiful radiators.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I would definitely not get rid of those.
Oh no. No.
Look at that.
But originally the house was just heated with coal and coal fireplace.
Tall, skinny. That's the way I like my ladies, tall and skinny.
Lavimoniere.
You got a lot of brass pipe here in this house too.
Yeah.
That's all brass. Crazy.